Yes, you see it. I bought more RAM for my PC, dog. So yeah, so I bought more RAM and the same RAM that's already in the computer. So we're gonna push this sucker to 64. 64. 64. So let me show you. There it is. 32 gigabytes. 2 sticks. So now we got some that's already in there. So we can put this in there. And yeah. Now this is, I can see it's the newer version because the other one doesn't look like this. But it's the same model, but just a different, vintage logo. So yeah, we about to put this thing up in there and see if we can get into 64 gigabytes of RAM. So we are going to have to remove this to get one of them in, get the other one in. Because see, look at this. This is closed off. It's closed off. So we got to pull this one out. I thought it was this. I thought it was a different logo, but it's the same logo. Look at that. DDR. Yeah, I know it's dusty. It's dusty. Dusty. So we pulled this one out. Now we got to put one in. So let's do that now. So all I had to do is just remove the fan. It's up here. So we just put the fan there. So let's try to squeeze this in there. You know what? I can't squeeze it and hold the phone. So hold on. Okay, so we got this new one in. It's right there. See it? It's right there. Right there. Now we got to put the other one in. Let me see what we got. About 2 others we got to put in. And then we'll see if this thing can get to 64. Okay, so we got the other one in, and we have one more. We will see what this thing can do at 64. Gigabytes of RAM. All right, we got all the RAM in there. Now let me put the fan back on and we can see what it's gonna do. Because we gotta put the fan back in. Yeah, I know it's dusty. This is the thing. I need to break down one day. It's 2 things. It's either we're gonna break down and from the dust. We have to break down and take this thing apart and put some more thermal paste, or I don't know if I'm gonna make a time to really replace this, because this computer I made this computer in 2020. This is a 4060, so this is 10th gen i7. So that's what this computer is. All right, she powering up. There she go with the lights. Got monitor on. You guys, hold on a minute, because I think I'm gonna have to go get the hold on, let me get the okay, she's back. But we gotta restart. So what I gotta do is this. Hold it like this, okay. And oh, wait a minute. Go. Why this thing is so slow? There we go. So I gotta push this, but hold this. So hold on. All right, so now, where's the mouse? Gotta go to this, troubleshoot. Let's see, shoot this, and then that, and then that. That's the steering wheel. It always has to configure itself every time we restart this thing. Here we go. 34 DDR RAM. Where is it? Let me see. 3400 Corsair. There you go. 60. Wait a minute. Did it say 65? What is that? I think it do. C65. There go all your RAM right there. MSI. This is a 7. Oh no, Z490 motherboard. That's what this is. 3400. Clicking. Is it clicking or clacking? I don't know. See, this is 32. We pushed it to 34 because it would crash, but I'm gonna have to work on it today. See what we can do. Now let's get out of this and go to the main thing. Let's see. Yeah, let me go check it. What time is it? 3:26. Oh, there she goes. 64 gigabytes of power. See, look at that. Intel i7, 10th gen, Comic Lake, 8-core, 16. See, look at that. That's power, boy. Power. 64 gigabytes. Power. Now hold on, let me go to the other part. Okay, there you go. Memory. NU 7.4. Available 56. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Look at that. Now let's go to another part. Okay. There she goes. Intel i7 10th gen. And there go that 64 dogs. There you go. Windows 10 Pro. I'd rather ride off of Windows 10 Pro than I'd try to ride the 11. So that's it. You've seen it be installed.